Is your iPhone ringing but the display isn't lighting up? Hey there! If you're dealing with the frustrating issue where your iPhone is receiving calls but the screen stays dark, I've got a quick and easy process to help you troubleshoot and fix it. Let's jump right into it and get your display working as it should. Solution 1. Turn off Do Not Disturb DND and Low Power Mode on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app. Then, scroll down and tap on Focus. After that, tap Do Not Disturb. Now, tap People. Next, select Allow Notifications From. After doing that, go back to the main settings menu. Then, scroll down and tap Screen Time. After that, scroll down and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, toggle this feature off. Solution 3. Turn off silence calls on your iPhone. Open the Settings app. Then, scroll down and tap on Phone. After that, scroll down and find Silence Unknown Callers. Next, tap on it and turn this feature off. Solution 4. Reset all settings. First, open the Settings app. Then, scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down again and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Reset. Finally, tap Reset all settings to restore everything to default and potentially fix the issue. And that's it. After following these steps, your problem should be resolved. If you're still facing issues or having any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped.